Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio, and today I thought I would play with my Dylusions paints and create some embellishments. So I'd seen a picture on Facebook, and they had done an art journal page, and on that page there was a little circle that had pattern on it, and it was kind of not necessarily ombre, but kind of gradated. Is that a word? Anyway, so I only saw it for a second, scrolling up through Facebook, but it caught my eye. So I was thinking about it later and decided I wanted to try and create something similar. I have no idea how that one was created. This is just the idea I came up with. So I am putting my colors in rainbow order. And I did a solid layer on the bottom, and then I'm going to just do layers of stencils. Basically, I do layers until I get tired of it. Trying to keep the rainbow design going. I start out with fairly narrow, 2 to 3 inch strips, and then later it gets wider. It just ends up being so much, and having to wash between the colors, or you end up with like mucky colors, and drying between. Some of them I dried, some of them I let blend. Like the blue green just looks green because it blended a lot. And I can't remember how many layers I did, but it was quite a few. I've got this sped up really fast, and I'm just going to let some music play. I'll come back at the end, and I hope you enjoy. You can see now I'm just doing bits and pieces, and I decided it needed a little bit of black, though I think I was a little heavy with the paint and made him kind of splodgy. Is that a word? Splodgy? I just do this a little bit as an accent, and do you think I have enough layers on there? I don't even know if you can even see the first layer or two. There we go. Alright, so it's completely dry, and I found a few round objects so that I could make some circles, and I do them in a few different sizes. I think that was the biggest one. And I know you're going to ask, what are you going to do with it? I don't know what I'm going to do with it. It was just fun making it. Maybe it'll go into somebody's Happy Mail. Well, maybe one or two. I've got to do something with one or two of them, right? They were just too fun to make. So I cut these out. I won't make you watch me cut the whole thing out. So I was trying to be careful to keep it round. And that's what it looks like. What do you think? I do go and ink around the edges. I did a couple, and then I go back later and ink the edges off camera, so you don't have to watch me do that. But there they all are. What do you think? Aren't they fun? They'd make great embellishments on something. Here's a few close-ups. Well, I hope you liked that video. If you did like it, please hit like. Feel free to share, comment, and if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.